I will strangle her. I will surely strangle her. Once more, just once more, let her yell, and I will strangle her. The whole day what she does is stand at the balcony and yell at the neighbors' cats. If they as much as look at her garden, then she will come to me and yell at me for not yelling at the neighbors to keep his cats away from her garden. And I have this long, beautiful Sunday. I won't let her ruin it. I won't listen to her screaming, whining, and crosswords. I shall shut out her crosswords.
And make a crossword instead. That's a clever pun even if I say so myself. Cross, annoyed, angry, irritated, crosswords. That's all my wife has got. For anybody, any day of the week. Crosswords. And crosswords. Crossword, a puzzle consisting of a grid of squares and blanks into which words crossing vertically and horizontally are written according to clue. That's what I am going to do. I shall make up the clues, fit them into one box, get the crossword, and then I will enter into that competition of Gems of India.
And if I should win it, that will shut her. She thinks she's the smart one around here, right? Just because she introduced me to the crosswords, she thinks she's the cat's whiskers. They're just the cat's whiskers. That's funny. She hates cats, and she's the cat's whiskers. Though I must admit that she can beat me at crosswords any day.
Get out! Get out of my closet! You horrid cats!
Are those cats in your flower beds again, darling?
He is screaming again. Why can't a man have peace in his own house? All I ask for is a little quiet so that I can solve this crossword puzzle. The last time she kept her mouth shut was when the cats aggravated her throat allergy. All the time. Yell at the cats, yell at the neighbors, yell at me. Yell! I've had it.
It's so complicated. They want two clues for each word. One simple and the other cryptic. Cryptic crosswords are crossword puzzles in which each clue is a word puzzle in and of itself. The answer to a cryptic crossword are in accordance with a hidden pattern or rule which must be discovered by the solver. Compilers of cryptic crosswords are commonly called setters in the UK. That's what I want. A setter. For example, chaperone changed corset. 6. Here the word 6 means there are 6 letters in the answer. Okay. So the word change suggests it has an anagram of either corset or chaperone. Chaperone has more than 6 letters, so one should try the anagram of corset, which gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Escort. It means chaperone, and it is the answer. That is so complicated. Okay, next. Outlaw leader managing money. It's simple. That comes from banking. B-A-N, ban, outlaw, and K-I-N-G, king, leader. Gives the perfect definition. Managing money. I want some peace and quiet to do this. But can I get it? Can I get some peace?
No. Yell, shout, nag. That's what I'm going to get. Right?
Okay, next. Shout. Yell. Now let's see. Yell to shout loudly. That will be simple clue to shout loudly. I'll put it in the center of the puzzle. And 4 down, pride of the place. Messing around with words is funny. Language has a life of its own. They grow by adding new words. It sheds itself just like living beings shed their own skin. It is loved by some, hated by others, manipulated also, it manipulated others. One word can have multiple meanings, whereas words combine to get different meanings altogether. Think, every day, is something very ordinary, and something done every day means something exciting. Crosswords are nothing but angry exchanges. The kind my wife and I have every day. It's a daily affair. It's a daily affair in our house. She has only crosswords, and it is nothing but just an escape into another reality. Okay. Now the cryptic clue. These are so difficult to do. How am I supposed to make a mysterious clue about L? Eh? Let me break it. Y plus L. I got it. No, I don't. Ah, I got it. Yellow. But what's yellow? Sunflower. Sunflower. Shout out part color of sunflower. Ha. What a silly clue. I'll think of a better one later.
Out! Out! Get out of my flowers, you horrid cats! Just let me get at you.
Why she screams in this hot day? It must be 47 already. How can he concentrate? No. I need to concentrate. I need to solve the crossword puzzle and send it to the newspapers for the evening.
Okay. Hot summer sweat. SWEAT sweat. What does that mean? Sweat. Sweet. Sweeter. Sweater. Ah, sweater. That's a part of the garment worn on the upper portion of the body. Yes, perfectly. I will put at 5 across. Sweater. Simple clue, huh? Part of a garment worn on the upper portion of the body. Oh great! That's all I needed. A power cut. The generator is not working either. Now I am really sweating.
Out! 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 Right now!
Why does she yell at the cats? Does she really think the cats understand?
Let me put in cats. Simple clue. Domesticated cousin of tiger. Cryptic. C and AT. A word that ends with C but begins with AT. What is it? Lunatic. Septic. Tick tick. Tick tick. Frantic attempt to save tiger's cousin. Yes. 3 letters. I'll put it across. Bullseye. She's yelling at the cats in the balcony. And one and did himself under the sofa.
Serves her right. Hope it chews up all her slippers. That will aggravate her throat allergy. The doctor said a second attack might be even very fatal, no? Oh, please, let it happen. I won't even have to kill her. She will shut forever. God, please.
Oh, goddamn cats! They'll be the death of me, I swear. I just saw one cat running this way. Oh, God. I'd better take my allergy medicine.
Yes, darling.
I hope it chokes her. Choke on an allergic bill. Let me put it this way. Choke, C-H-O-K-E, choke. I take the C from the cat, unable to breathe or...
What happened, darling? You're choking. Here, take some water.
Wow. Wonderful. Don't know, is it a coincidence or not? I just said choke and she choked. I said sweat and the power went off. And when I say...
Do you hear me? Will you talk to the neighbors or not, huh? What are you doing? My God, making a crossword! You have to do everything that I do, huh? Let me help you. Put on fall here. I thought of the clues last night. Pride comes before it. 4 letters. That's the simple clue. And the cryptic one. Season leaves with yellow, golden, and brown. Do you see the double pun here? Huh? Fall as in fall down. Fall as in the fall season. And season as in the fall season. And season as in adding pepper and all. Am I good or not? Huh? It's easy. I can.
I'll do it. do it, darling. It's straight. Yes, fall. I'll write fall. F-A-L-L, fall.
Wonderful is happening. It's happening. Don't get excited. Sit down. Breathe. Now write. Death, murder, kill.
Put down die here. Die. D-I-E. Right here. Across 9. Just let me do it myself. Checking the E for the job.
Sunday Times crossword puzzle, somehow the words won't come. I am staring at squares, but my eyes will not focus, and my mind singing strangely numb. But the